you, someone who has already experienced traveling to some countries. Good afternoon. Okay. Good afternoon. Let's start by discussing your international travel experience. Could you provide a brief overview of the countries you visited and purpose of your travels?
I traveled Dubai. I've been in Dubai, and my experience in traveling, it's a lot of you will enjoy because you encountered some people, different nationalities, and you will be friends with them. You will enjoy by traveling because of a different view of the places, different from our country. It's more beautiful than the other places, and of course also the people there. That's my experience in traveling in Dubai.
That sounds fascinating with such diverse travel experience, and what factors influences you to travel in your destination choices?
My factor in traveling in the other places is that I want to go and adventure another places than our country, because our place and another place is quite different. Especially in Dubai, the people there are more disciplined than here in the Philippines. That's one factor that I like. They're most disciplined than in the Philippines.
Next question. Impressive problem-solving skills. How do you maintain productivity and focus amidst the demands of frequent travel shifting time zones?
I have experienced also like that last December when we traveled via what's that? PAL from Philippine Airlines. It's not good because we are stranded for about almost 2 hours. Supposed to be our flight is 7 o'clock in the evening, but the airplane that we are going to embark with did not yet arrive. So we wait there in the airport. We are so sleepy and we are hungry. So I think the owner of the airways must improve. That's why our trip was delayed. We are delayed.
And what's the requirements you need to prepare in traveling?
The requirements, you need to have the passport.
Number one, passport.
They will check for your passport, then your ticket, plane ticket. You cannot fly if you don't have ticket. That's one. The gate pass, they will secure for your gate pass also. Traveling pass. That's 4. Yeah.
Thank you for sharing our insights and experience with us today. And may I know you.
I am Maribel Igot Cruel.
It's been a pleasure with speaking here today. Likewise, thank you for engaging our conversation.
Thank you, Mr. Anthony Cruel.